know it's been a minute since we last hung out, and that's because I moved to Hollywood. I know you guys are probably wondering why. Actually, I don't know if anyone's wondering that, but like people in my personal life have been wondering, so I thought I might as well just share with everyone because I know I've taken a long gap in making videos too, and like, you know, just wanted to explain all that. So let me go through this step by step. Why did I move, first of all? So the last place I was at, where you guys remember my background with all the art behind me, that was in Santa Barbara. But our lease was about to end in like a month or two, so I was like already kind of looking for new places to move to, and I already knew that like after I was done in Santa Barbara that I wanted to move to LA. That was just like a goal of mine, right? 3-4 years ago, Sean, she said that, and she was like, that would be kind of cool. When I was like comparing apartments in Santa Barbara to the apartments in LA at the time, you know, just out of my curiosity, I realized that the price difference wasn't that much. So I was kind of like, well, it's now or never. And I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was being indoors during COVID the whole time and not getting to travel anywhere, because prior to COVID, I used to love coming out to LA. Like any reason I had to come out here, I would be there. Like the first time I came to LA while I was at Santa Barbara was actually for a neighborhood concert in October 7 years ago. And literally this upcoming weekend, I am about to see the neighborhood again in concert in LA, but this time I live here, which is kind of crazy. I don't know, the fangirl in me is very happy. But besides that, oh, also the month I moved, I didn't know this, but like while I was moving and researching and talking to friends and all that, I found out that March was the ideal month to move to LA if that's what you want to do. Apparently the rent price are the cheapest they'll be at all year, which I actually noticed to be true in my very own complex. Like literally the apartments here were literally like being listed more expensive the next month. So I don't know, I'm just saying. So it was a good time. It was the right time, the opportunity was there, and I just took it, really. It was an impulse move, but there's like a lot of pros of me being here, which I'll get into. So anyways, when I first moved out here, I was still finishing school. So like the first 3 months, I was still basically doing internet school like I was before. And between that and moving and like just wanting to do everything well, I was like, I need to take a break from YouTube. So that's what I did. And I just wanted to like chill and like, you know, get settled in before I dove back into making my life all chaotic and stuff. Then summer came, and this was my first summer break, you guys, in like literally the past 6 years. Like I have done summer school or like had some sort of events in the summer. Like even like my summers have been chaotic for so long now. So this summer I decided I'm gonna chill. Like I am gonna for real chill. I'm gonna do nothing, and that's what I did. Well, that's a lie. I did do things. I went to Miami. I visited my friends. It was really fun. I like traveled here and there. I met with family, you know, like I explored LA. It was great. I just didn't do anything productive, which was kind of the goal. But now, I don't know, I'm feeling refreshed. I'm back. I'm ready to dive back into stuff with you guys. I really miss speaking on video and, you know, getting dressed up and doing this whole thing, and I just have so much to share. So we are here. So what am I doing now? Okay, people ask me this a lot because I moved here and because I do YouTube for fun. Like, do you want to be famous? And the answer to that is, of course I do. Who doesn't want to be famous? Like, duh. Did I move here to become famous? No. Like, that wasn't my plan. It wasn't like, oh, I have a YouTube channel now, let me move to Hollywood. It was more like, I have a YouTube channel because I've always wanted to move to Hollywood anyways. It correlates, but it's not causating. Literally, I have been doing plays since technically the 4th grade, but like on purpose since like the 6th grade. And like, I love it. I love movies. I love glam, you know. I love art. I love fashion. I love music. Like so much of this city just calls to me. And I just, like I said, when I was living in Santa Barbara, I would use any excuse I had to come down to LA just because I love the vibes here. I love the energy. So I don't know, like, and I'm not even kidding, since I was like 11 or 12, one of my goals was always to live in LA. Like if I would have gone into UCLA originally, that's where I would have gone the whole time, you know? I plan on going to graduate school, or like I plan on furthering my education. So I was gonna take this year, no matter where I was, be it Santa Barbara, Fresno, wherever, I was gonna take this year to prep for grad school apps and build my resume. I do physical therapy assisting. My goal was no matter where I was gonna live this year, I was gonna get a job in a clinic and I was gonna just prep all of that real life stuff. I don't really want to get into details. I like to keep some of my private life private, you know? Without saying much, because my career interests are so like widely needed, I guess, that I would find a job pretty much anywhere. So I just decided to go with location before job, which I know not a lot of people do. Not a lot of people recommend it. I don't even think I would recommend it. It was really stressful, but I don't know, it's my life. I chose it. And this is what I decided to do with it. This is the youngest I'm gonna get, honestly. So honestly, I also own that it was kind of way too impulsive a decision. Should have thought about it a little bit more, should have planned a little bit more, but you live and you learn. And my mom says this a lot too. I'm the type of person that needs to make a mistake first for me to really learn the lesson. And now I know for a fact that I will never do such an impulsive thing. Actually, never say never. I don't know. But I think I would be smarter in the future is my point. Anyways, wow, what a tangent. Also, I have like a bunch of friends that live in LA. Like, I love doing photo shoots. My friends Daniel and Jessica, I'll throw their information up. They're great photographers and they're in the area, and just all sorts of other creative friends that I've just been wanting to collab with or meet and stuff in general. And like, I finally get to do that now and it's fun. Plus, I am such a tourist. Like, I've been coming to LA on vacations with my family since I was like 9, so I don't know, it just brings out that dopamine out of me to be here. I don't know. It's great. I have been here for 6 months. I'm here for 6 more at least. Who knows, you know? I am excited to share my journey with you guys so far. I have tons of videos planned. Like during this time, it's not like I wasn't thinking about YouTube at all. I have been reading the Aquarian Singularity book. I know people are waiting on that. I have actually a really exciting announcement coming very soon. I have a Barbie ColourPop makeup tutorial that I'll be uploading like within 24 hours, hopefully. Don't hold me to that, but hopefully I will. And oh, and people on Twitter were asking me about questions about how to get into the field of physical therapy, and I'll have a video coming out on that very soon. So stay tuned for all of that. If you guys want to check out my website, I'm gonna throw that up there right now for tarot readings. You can look at all that information over there. And there's all sorts of other fun stuff on the website. Check it all out, you know. And I think that about wraps up this video. I know this is short, but I just wanted to catch up with everyone real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you guys around real soon. And yeah, have a